Hello, everybody. Happy New Year. Today is January 5th, 2025, 2026, and this is the Tellor Dev Call. So this week, we're gonna hit the ground running. We're gonna be updating the cycle list on Palmetto and testing that through the week, and as well as pushing a new release that implements a couple of changes, but the biggest one is the way that we distribute rewards based on liveness. So with that, let's get started on what we're up to this week. I guess, Buddy.
I was testing the new release that we're thinking about updating to later this week that Brenda was just talking about. It's passed my test. I was going to do a little profitability test that we talked about, but I got a crazy microphone set up back there because I was going to try to record content, like video content, like a tutorial for how to run a reporter. At first, I thought I was going to try to make it look easy, but now I don't think so. I'm just going to make it look fun, I guess.
Okay.
As fun as it is, because it's a lot. So I'll just try to get everything in there, and if someone can watch the video and learn how to do it, that's all that matters really.
Caleb?
I'm going to be addressing some of the issues that are in the repo right now. Mainly the reporter process is not shutting down properly all the time. I'm going to be addressing that, and some more testing of the new rewards and other stuff that were added to make sure that it's all ready and working for you guys before we bring it to Palmetto. And then I updated the indexer a while ago, and that's about done re-indexing. So when that's done, I can get back into optimizing the block explorer with using the indexer instead of just hammering the RPCs all the time.
And you also added a script for unbonding every day, or a CLI option?
Yes, in the next reporter release, there will be, you can set flags and you can set how many days you want in between unbonding. You can set a max percentage of your stake that you want to unbond. So if your stake has gotten smaller, it will not unbond. It won't unbond you to being 0. And then you set the actual amount that you want unbonded in Loya. And yeah, it will do it. If you set it to 1, it will happen once a day, and you can have a constant stream of free floating tokens to use for gas or to withdraw and pay bills.
Akram?
I'm going to be working on today on removing, separating the daemons from the layer repo, making it its own separate repo. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now.
Awesome.
More later.
Thank you, Akram. And just so everybody knows, Akram implemented the liveness distribution. So I'm sure it's working perfect, but thanks for getting that done, Akram. Tim?
Yeah, today I'm working on a few optimizations in the relayer, optimizing when the relayer is looking for new attestations, and I guess checking more in a better way so that it can turn around and relay quicker. And the same idea for waiting for a new report to be available. And then I can have different behavior depending on if we're using a heartbeat or a price threshold changes. So if it's heartbeat, we can wait a little bit for the cycle list to report a new value. And also similar related to that is checking whether the real data has changed from the Tellor data to determine whether you can just use the last cycle list value. That was kind of really in depth, but yeah, working on all those optimizations.
Dan?
I am adding a historical rewards lookup by address and time frame to the profitability tracker.
Thank you. And you also you added a couple of queries to the latest release, correct?
Yeah, for some minting information, and then some cleanup in the Oracle queries.
Right, Brian?
Still working on the how it works video. Just for the audience, we're providing an updated version of how it works to represent the new Tellor. Yeah, I'll have something to show tomorrow. We'll have it done by this week. And then there's some things on the Explorer that I've been noticing over time while we're waiting for the indexer to get on. So once that's running from the indexer, I'm going to do some cleanup on the Explorer. And then yeah, there's the withdrawal fee rewards query once that gets pushed out this week, I can start playing with it on the Tellor Hub.
Nick?
Sounds like we're gonna have some fun this week.
Yeah, pay attention, everybody. We'll be publishing when these proposals are gonna happen and or when they're going to execute. So you guys are ready to upgrade with us. But with that, we'll see you guys next week.